Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert Excel file to SQL, and this is my website. I will leave a link to the site in the description. To find an app, there is an Into SQL app on this website, so I can type Into SQL, and this app that's fine. Into SQL, yeah, this one. So I'll click on app and double click on the load button to start the loading process. So basically this app can download from can convert from different file types into SQL, and there are like a lot of file types it can can take, including Excel file. So I can show you how to use it. So I double click on the load button to start the loading process and download it archive on my computer. Now I can click on archive and double click on Into SQL MSI to start the installation, then click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. Now you can see app has been installed on my computer. I can close this window and minimize this and double click to launch the app. Basically, conversion into SQL is like 3 steps process. On first step, I have to select file I want to convert. So I click on select input file, and I can navigate to my documents somewhere, and let's find this Excel file I want to convert. So if I click on Explorer and go to my documents, it should be something like states. Yeah, this one. I can open it into SQL, into Excel Mobile, just to see this Excel file. I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have Excel Mobile. It's just a viewer, free viewer. So you can see like state name, state code, region, and what I will do, I will convert this Excel file into a SQL file. And let's go to back to the app. I can close this and let's find states Excel. Yep. And open it and click on next. Here I can specify if first row of input file has column names. Usually, like you see in my Excel file, first row is names of columns, like state name. It's not basically data. So we are saying to app, use this first row, get columns names from this first row, and when you create table, SQL table, use these names into create table statement. If I want to add additional ID field, I can check this and it will add additional ID field. Now, also I can specify SQL, which SQL language I use for which database, because different database has like slightly different SQL language. So I can specify SQL Server, MySQL is SQLite. Let's leave it as SQL Server. I'll click on next step, and here I can preview SQL. If I click, you can see state data ID. This is ID added because I had a check on option 2, right? I add ID field, and you can see there is also all data inserted here, like all insert statement and all data in here. So now I click to save SQL, and I can specify name of the file and location. Let's say state SQL is okay. I'll just save it as state SQL, and now I can go and see this file. Just open it into Notepad. Yep, and you can see there is all data is here, or create table with column names for first row here, and all data is here as from Alaska to Wyoming. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions about using this app, please leave them in comments. Thank you.